Very nice. Carmen's Snoopy is over there, so. Oh, let's go.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey.
Do you want to put a pumpkin? Get her
No
from
thanks.
over here. She looks pretty.
I'm here, Claire. Oh, hi. Mine's not very. Where's Nero? Oh. My paint looks like blood. I know, it's gross. Serious.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Go to your daddy.
Katherine, there's some other paint right here. See, look. Right there.
Thank you, guys. Do you want a different color?
What other color do you want? Hey, can I have some orange over here? Oh, sure. Just like a Mary Claire. Can I also have some green? On my shirt. Will you pass the green?
Nero doesn't like being filmed, so please don't film her.
Who doesn't?
Oh, that's a pretty color.
Neeru, I hear you don't like being on film. I'll be around there in a second.
Somebody pass the orange. I need it.
So what are y'all doing to wipe off their hands? Wait, just a second.
Well, we take out the hose and then we wash them, and we also have napkins.
Oh, can I get a napkin,
done?
please? Yeah.
Okay, Catherine, where do you want to put it? Let's go.
Madeline, she needs to wash her hands first.
How much does she owe you?
Well, since she has a bracelet, she doesn't know me yet.
You bought her a bracelet?
You just get the pumpkin for free?
Well, yeah, since she has a bracelet.
Cool.
Catherine,
Let's leave it here, though, to dry. Oh.